Welcome to Woo Woo Works. What if the life you've always dreamed of isn't just something out of reach, but is already happening in another version of reality? Imagine a reality where every aspect of your life, from your relationships to your career to your personal happiness, aligns perfectly with your deepest desires. This isn't a fairy tale, it's the promise of quantum jumping. Today, we're not just talking about what quantum jumping is, but how you can learn in less than 10 minutes to level up your mindset and live your dream life. Let's start with what is quantum jumping. Quantum jumping is about shifting into a version of yourself that already exists in another reality. Think of it as leveling up in a video game. There are different stages, and each one represents a version of you. The highest level? That's your dream life. To reach it, you have leveled up your mindset, energy, and actions to align with the version of your desired life. But here's the catch. It's not just about visualizing or wishing for this new reality. Your conscious and subconscious minds need to work together, or the entire process will fall apart. Your conscious mind is the part of you that's aware and logical. It's where your thoughts, intentions, and decisions reside. It's the voice that says, I want to be successful, or I'm ready to live my dream life. But the subconscious mind, the deeper part of your psyche that governs your beliefs, habits, and emotions, is what truly drives your reality. If your subconscious holds beliefs like I'm not good enough or I don't deserve success, it doesn't matter how much your conscious mind wants something. The subconscious will sabotage your efforts every time. For quantum jumping to work, these two parts of your mind must align. Your conscious mind sets the intention, and your subconscious mind carries it out. If they're out of sync, you'll experience resistance, self-sabotage, or a sense of spinning your wheels without making progress. So how do you bring them into alignment? The first step is clarity. You need a crystal clear vision of what your dream life looks like. Most people fail because they're vague or indecisive about what they want. Saying, I want to be happy or I want more money isn't enough. What does happiness mean to you? What does more money look like? $10,000, $100,000, or financial freedom? The subconscious works best with specifics, so take the time to write out every detail of your ideal life. Imagine your perfect day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you fall asleep. Where are you? Who are you with? What emotions do you feel? The more vivid and detailed your vision, the stronger your subconscious connection to it. Once you've clarified your vision, you need to program your subconscious mind to accept it as reality. This is where most people encounter their first roadblock, which is limiting beliefs. These are deep-seated ideas like, I'm not smart enough, I'm too old, or I'll never have the kind of life I want. These beliefs live in the subconscious and act as invisible barriers, preventing you from leveling up. If you don't address them, they'll override your conscious intentions and keep you stuck. To reprogram your subconscious, you need to replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Start by identifying the beliefs that are holding you back. Pay attention to the negative thoughts that pop up when you think about your dream life. Once you've identified them, challenge their validity. Ask yourself, is this really true, or is it just a story I've been telling myself? Then, create affirmations to counteract these beliefs. For example, if you believe I'm not good enough, replace it with, I am worthy of success and happiness. Repeat these affirmations daily, especially in the morning and before bed, when your subconscious mind is most receptive. The next step is visualization, which is the backbone of quantum jumping. Visualization isn't just about imagining a better life. It's about immersing yourself in the feelings, sensations, and emotions of already having that life. When you visualize, you're essentially tricking your subconscious mind into believing that your dream life is already real. And because the subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a vividly imagined scenario and reality, it begins to shift your energy and behaviors to align with this new vision. But visualization alone isn't enough. The next step is to tap into the law of assumption and act as if. This means embodying the version of yourself who already has what you want. Choose a specific scene from your dream life, something simple but powerful, like receiving a promotion, enjoying a romantic dinner with your soulmate, or standing in front of your dream home. Replay this scene in your mind daily, focusing on how it feels. The key is to generate the emotions associated with that moment, joy, gratitude, excitement, and let them flood your body. Then, act as if what you desired has already taken place. This emotional congruence is what activates your subconscious and starts pulling your desired reality closer. Next is what amplifies that pull, which is energy alignment. Everything in the universe operates on frequency, including your thoughts and emotions. To quantum jump, your energy needs to match the frequency of the reality you want to experience. If you're constantly feeling stressed, doubtful, or envious, you're emitting a low-frequency vibration that keeps you stuck. But if you cultivate emotions like gratitude, love, and confidence, you raise your vibration and align with higher-level realities. One of the easiest ways to raise your vibration is through gratitude. Start a daily gratitude practice where you write down 3 things you're thankful for. These can be small, like a good cup of coffee. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, creating a fertile ground for your dream life to grow. Next is where most people get derailed, which is in taking inspired action. Quantum jumping isn't just about thinking or visualizing. It's about acting in ways that align with your dream life. This doesn't mean taking random actions or working harder. It means taking inspired actions. For example, if your dream life involves starting your own business, an inspired action might be researching business plans, networking with entrepreneurs, or even registering your business name. The key is to act in that as-if state, as if you're already the person who has achieved your goals. To accomplish this, ask yourself, what would the version of me who's living my dream life do today? Then do that. This leads to the question, how do you know what to do? The answer lies in one of the most overlooked steps in this process, which is listening to your intuition. Sometimes you'll get sudden nudges or ideas, what some call downloads. Maybe you feel an urge to call someone or visit a particular place. These aren't random thoughts. They're often signals guiding you toward your desired reality. Follow them, even if they seem small or insignificant at first. They will eventually lead you to your bounty. But what if your bounty isn't materializing? I mean, how long is this supposed to take? While I wish I could give you a timeline, it's different for everyone. However, there are several common pitfalls which could derail your success, and I'll reveal them next. The most common reason people fail is resistance. This can take many forms: doubt, impatience, fear, or even falling back into old habits. Resistance often arises because your subconscious mind is clinging to its comfort zone. Remember, your subconscious is designed to keep you safe, not to help you grow. When you try to shift into a new reality, it can feel threatening, even if that reality is better for you. To overcome resistance, practice self-awareness and detachment. For example, when negative thoughts surface, acknowledge them but don't engage with them. Instead, return your focus to your vision and remind yourself why you're doing this. Detachment is also crucial. This doesn't mean giving up on your goals. It means releasing the need to control how and when they manifest. Trust the process and let the universe handle the details. Another pitfall is inconsistency. Quantum jumping is a practice, not a one-time event. Treat this process like a daily workout for your mind and energy. The more you show up for it, the faster you'll see results. Quantum jumping is about more than achieving goals. It's about leveling up into the best version of yourself. So, take that first step today. Share your journey in the comments below. I'd love to hear how quantum jumping is transforming your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to level up their reality. Your dream life isn't just possible, it's waiting for you. Until next time,